condensed. Hold on. What I am doing?
Yep, Mardi Gras with condensed.
Oh, condensed glue gel. Hold on, I want that. I want that one to be. It's okay. I'm gonna take that knob. I'm gonna hold that knob up. So then, okay, close that and then wipe off my brush and cap on. Here you go. And condensed glue gel, and I'm going right into my with no wipe top coat. This will help to grip my crystal base in one place. Floating it, just don't drag your glue gel, just floating it. You seeing me upline like that, but actually I'm just floating on the top. I'm not dragging any condensed glue gel, anything at all. Oh, this one is so cute. All right, my green. Okay, my doorknob, and then I have hold of this. I'm gonna hold that when I key it, okay? So the door knob looks cute. Okay. You have another one. This is so cute. I really can't wait to show you with all the cool fun thing. Watch until the end. You will see the difference. I'll put some purple on and some yellow. If you are down in South, you want to start seeing a lot of clients who want to do as Mardi Gras nails. So we would love to share with some of you and support all the folks down in South getting our products. And if you are like getting to the Mardi Gras season and you don't know what to do with the designs, or you are just so confused yourself and overwhelming, get the Mardi Gras mix bag. I'm working on that right now. It has so many of elements in there. You will never go wrong with this. I've been working with this for quite a while now, and it still have a lot of crystal in here. Like, what is in there? They're far away from me, but look at that. That's it. Okay. I'm gonna get. Oh, my already. I'm getting a big one right there. Yes. Nope. You will never go wrong with this. I separate the two of them. Unlike I say, if you feel overwhelming with any of mixed bag, because there are so many elements in there, just pull in the two tray, so you will not confuse yourself and you not feel overwhelming. And sometimes I do it too, but I really enjoying it. Looking great. I think I'm good because I don't want to really, I don't think I want to make it too busy down here. I wanted to, but I want to leave it like that. Or down a little bit and put one more, like this, one more down here. I feel like I'm quiet today. You think so? Or I just too focused on it? Okay, now two of this gonna be in on the side. Great. Okay, awesome. Now if I cure it, I'm gonna put this one on the side, and that way it's gonna cure nicely up. I'm gonna gently move this one down. There you go. Okay, pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. All right, before that, I'm using a piece of paper and I'm gonna wipe it on the side to make sure all the excess top coat and glue gels to be clean, so it's a nice shape of your nails. All right, make sure my doorknob will not be messed up. All right. Okay. Wait, so I using all Mardi Gras. I'm gonna put it back in because I put in a bolt tray, so then I won't be confused. The same with this. When you have a lot of products and you are confused yourself, don't let it happen to you, and just put in 2 different trays, because when you have the trays and scoop, it's come with 2 trays. So then, so that way you can always use them. Look at that. Sorry guys, let me get all my messy in here. It looks like a messy here. Oh, see. Going back here. Thank you so much everyone for really tuning in. I know why I feel quiet, probably because I was so paying attention on it to make sure I got the nail looks good, because I was under like 2-3 cameras right here, so then we can keep all that beautiful video, good tutorial for all of you. And I know that you are busy. If you are hopping in, thank you so much. But if you want to see in full tutorial and then you don't worry about missing it, you can always tune in back in. And okay, oh my goodness, okay, yay. Look at, it's fun about, I love this, and they stay nice. And it's so fun. You want to see something I did? Like, one of the magnets is so heavy though. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. It's pick up one of mine. And it does it to me all the time. It's a magnet. All right, so just a little fun to show you. I'm gonna using my precision glue to really seal this, and I feel scratchy right here. Your door knob should stay really stunning and cool in like a few weeks. I wear that several times, and even I'm working on a trade show, they will last 3 weeks for me. It no issue at all. I'm gonna fill into the gap and the edges of the nails and the crystals. This is really cool for all of you who down in South, like Florida, Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi, I think Texas too. I'm not sure, that we celebrate Mardi Gras. Is so excited. I'm about to get, you know, like a king cake for us. So to hopefully I get the babies. A lot of the staff I got opportunity to work with, they say, why are you silly? Why you want a baby king? You get baby king, you gotta buy another cake. I said, I don't care, I want the baby king. But I never get lucky to get a baby king. So hopefully this year I'm gonna get a baby king in my cake. All right, so pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds because I'm sealing all of this. And it's awesome secret. So pop in the lamp. I'm gonna show you the other